Welcome all my friend. Today we have chocolate marzipan biscuit, or we say Joconde chocolate biscuit, and this will be the base for chocolate mousse cake or the royalty cake. So let's start. Ingredients is very easy. Please, if you didn't make subscribe to my channel, now you can do, and activate the bell so you receive the new video every week. Let's start by recipe. 640 gram marzipan or almond paste, 240 gram sugar, 400 egg yolk, 600 gram egg white. Now we mix the almond paste, the sugar and egg yolk, the three together, and then you make the medium speed. As you see, we make the medium speed. I used to make cream now. So in 3-4 minutes, you will see is very creamy. It's like sabayon. In other place, we have egg white, 600 gram egg white and 200 gram sugar. Again, then all dry ingredient together, flour, cacao powder. Then we put in the same time, if you have another mixer, you put the egg white and sugar. And then, so we have two batch of sugar, 200 gram with the marzipan, 240 gram with marzipan, and 200 gram with egg white. So both machine work together. One was egg yolk, and other machine mix with meringue. We mix the dry ingredients together and keep the melted butter separate. We keep the melted butter separate. Very important step that we must strain the flour and cacao together. When you mix it together, you avoid any lumps can be inside the dough. You can avoid any lumps with the flour can affect the dough. Now, as you see, both mixer harmony fluffy and waiting the time. When we have the almond powder, almond paste or marzipan with the sugar and egg yolk, what we do half of the time, we must open the mixer and mix all together, because sometimes the dough in the side and not melted well, and that will make lumps with the machine. Then now I change from pedal to the whisk. I didn't start with the whisk because it's very strong dough. It could break the mixer. Now when you soft like now, I added the whisk, and it will be very nice spongy way. And make sure that the meringue is ready now. All meringue is ready, and egg yolk with marzipan and sugar is ready. As you see, fluffy now, smooth. It's like you make sabayon exactly. When both mixture is ready, it's the time. Make sure that the meringue is stiff, strong, at least 15 minutes together. And the same as you see, the sabayon, the marzipan with egg yolk, I added all on top of the meringue, stiff meringue, as you see, very strong meringue. When you mix it at least 12-15 minutes, then gently you mix both mixture together, and that what make the biscuit is fluffy. When I mix it together, I added the flour and cacao powder. Very gently now, because I avoid if I mix over stirring, it will break down the biscuit and will be very heavy, not light. Very gently, you stir all mixture together and make sure the cacao and flour is incorporate with the mixture. Finally, I added the melted butter, and this is the final steps. Make sure that very gently bring upside down. Make sure that the mixture is harmony, fluffy, and now is the time we can start to spread the mixture and make amazing nice cake or decoys. Some people say decoys and some they said almond based biscuit. So whatever you want to call it, this is very soft and very tasty sponge you can make under of the chocolate mousse, as you will see, or the entremet chocolat. You can use it for many variety dessert. Now I spread the dough. Make sure when you spread, sometimes you find small lumps of marzipan. You can just spread it little strongly and it will melt. Now I have this mixture almost 4 trays, 40 by 60 centimeter. You can do it now, and really nice. As you see, make sure you not spread over than 6 millimeter high. Don't make 1 centimeter, just like 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter maximum, because this is very nice dough. If you put more, it will not really getting cooked well. And sometimes we prepare the oven hot, 215, 220, it's depending about your oven. So make sure that first you make 1 tray as a test in 200 or 220, and after 8 minutes you check if it's okay, you put the rest of the dough. If not, you adjust the oven. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now 220, this the way I make it for 8 minutes. Now is ready. Our cake is beautiful, fluffy, and so tasty. I make it for royalty mousse, for chocolate mousse, for entremet chocolat. I use it for many delicious cake and dessert, and you cannot feel that it's really nice biscuit, and you will enjoy it, believe me. I try to make all videos simple as much as I can. Kindly, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, please do it now and activate the ring so you can receive all the new video. I wish you enjoyed the movie, and I hope you learned something. As you see, this I use the chocolate for this amazing royalty cake or royalty chocolate mousse. You will find also the recipe under the description. My way always try to do all dessert very simple way and very creative. Ahmed Younes, hope see you soon in new movie. All the best. Thank you so much for waiting and listen and see my video. Please make comment. I accept all the comment. and hope all the best.